but I'm bidding 06 right now to get filled on a long, or I'm going to offer 26 up here to get short. And I am working on, for what it's worth, for Tradovate folks, I am working on doing some dedicated videos for Tradovate, how to set up your dome, how to set up your charts. I anticipate having those done by the end of the week. So we'll have some new videos on setting up your Tradovate charts. You know, if you are a fan of this type of price action or this type of trading using my levels on Tradovate, and then of course how to set up the dome and all of that. So we'll see if we can get filled here. And again, now if we get filled here, we want to see a reaction pretty much right away. We don't want to take a bunch of heat on the trade. We are buying this based on a 2-minute chart.